Hello, I am X.
Hello guys, I am X. Today I'm going to present to you the new 7-inch driving light that is redefining some part of the lighting industry. Have a look. This is a more off-roadish model of a driving light. 7-inch, you see the house is beautifully made. It's more robust, I would say more hardcore, more rock and roll if you like to say that. I am a lighting nerd, so I think a lot about this, but this is something unique. On top of that, we have fixed a new coating, a new second powder coating for the house that is unique in its different details. It can stand much more salt, much more water and UV to the next level. Vibration proof is super important for us. We know you guys work on hard roads, tough roads, either when you work on driving a truck or when you go off-road with your vehicle. So it can stand up to 20 or above 20 GRMS. This also is shock proof like crazy. Over 60 G, yeah? 60 G, you hear me right. You know guys, details matter, so here we have created a light that is something, not only a light, but you look here on the back side. We have position light on the back side. Do you need it? No, but it's fucking sexy. So this one change color at the same time as you change the position light color. So you can have it amber or white. This bad boy is a 7-inch one. Guess how long the beam distance are? It is over 660 meter, 1 lux. I would say that's market crazy, top notch of the line. And also, you guys who want to be E-approved, very good. We have the E mode and Xperience mode in this light. So you can run on reference 20 when you're on the road, and when you go off-road, you just hit the Xperience mode and get ready. Let me take to the next part of this one. This is not only unique design, it's unique features, different materials. Wow, it's very hardcore. And you have double breathing, so it can really stand with tough climate with a lot of change between moisture. You have fitting for stabilization, and on top of this you have one of my favorite functions is that we have the filter. You know, this filter gives you more diversity, more connection to do and adapt yourself and your light on the conditions you are. Guys, this is the white position light. You see the color, you know, it is kind of I would say it's a moon, the moonshine. You know, when you have a full moon and you have this soft white color, this is what the white color is on this one. And when you add a yellow filter, you get my favorite combination. Look, you get a yellow position light that is the color of passion, that is the color of love, you know? Yellow is the sun, yellow is you, yellow is passion. So this one, crazy nice. And the filter gives you a unique opportunity to have a perfect beam and experience in wet conditions or muddy conditions or snow, because the Kelvin is much lower. I will put on the filter and you will see how it works. Whoa, you hear that sound? The filter is super nice fit into this one. It will not fall off. Now you have a nice cool yellow position light. You have a hello function. You have a yellow light that takes you through the toughest condition. On top of that, if that would not be enough, you get a nice all black cover up for, let's say, on the sunny days. If you're in the north, you know, in the midsummer time it's 24 daylight. So then you use the dark cover just to protect your lamp. But of course, your position light will not be hidden. It will see through as well. If this would not be enough, then you order in our wide flood cover that is clear glass that gives you a nice wide beam. So you can combine and do yourself what you need. So stay tuned, follow our YouTube channel. Passion is our mission.